Your boy's Lachie out here. He's doing his thing, servicing. This is a pretty good one for you because you set up all this crap.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, I went out there and filmed him for the day, doing a couple of services on a loader and an excavator.
It's pretty darty. I think it was our real first introduction to just going out and making some good content. Lachie here, I've been trying to review this service for like a month now because I had technical glitches. Here he is. Basically, when they come out, the boys have got a pretty set schedule that they run through to do a service. He's got his tick and flick. He's got his stuff. But Lachie's a seasoned veteran.
He is.
He knows what to do. As soon as he gets to site, he does his stuff. You see him banging around there. He's opening up all the doors. He's already ran up the machine. He's tested it. He's worked out his little battle plan in his head, what he's going to fix, what he's not going to fix. He usually reports back to you and says, "Oi, Scotty, cutting edge is about to fall off. Tyre's flat. The old mate left his Gatorade behind the seat, bro."
With a big hose.
With a big hose connected to it. It smelled like grass clippers in there. Here he is, draining the oil. This is basically when you ring up and say, "Hey, we need a service done out on site at 27 Caversham Street, Caversham."
This is what happens.
This is what happens. The boys get into it. There's a bit of a process how it goes up. They call up, send an email, you schedule it in, go through the maintenance planner, get the filters, work out what oils they take, line it up for the boys, sit it down in a pile with a job number on, and basically all they have to do is come and robot in, collect up their stuff, load the service trailer,
Head out and do it.
head out and do it.
So that Donaldson is slightly different to that big guy.
Yeah, just the top mounting, but still got an O-ring on there and it still goes to the same spot. So. Oh yeah, precision.
That didn't make much sense at all, eh?
No, surprised there's not like a check valve or something in there when the motor's not running, no oil goes to it, so you can not make a mess, but...
We were yarning about these filters the other day, how cool they are.
Power cores.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's crazy how much technology is involved in it now, man. Like Hitachi, I'm obviously a bit biased because I used to work with Hitachi. I don't know what goes on behind the brand.
Let's not go there.
Let's not go there. But that's a Donaldson, great product.
Yeah.
You got one, there's one sitting up here. Where is
Yeah,
it?
I've got one sitting there.
Power core,
Cruiser.
4x4, 200s, LC 200, Land Cruiser series.
Yeah, that's for the mobile swag sitting outside.
Yeah. She's on there. Oh, Lockie's putting the oil in her. We only use the best oil.
Valvoline.
Valvoline. You know what I mean. Thanks, Gary. Do you know how long it took us to get these bar stools?
Long time. Long time.
Yeah, Gary. But we got them. 3 of them.
We did.
We did it. Lockie's filling her up. The trailer. The trailer's been a godsend.
It has, yeah.
It's been real good, man.
Yep.
Especially with that lid on it that someone engineered and installed
And
himself.
fabricated himself. Yeah.
Stop the water getting on top of the drums.
Yep.
It's good just that you can just chuck all their stuff in the back and then get out of there, man. Especially on site, like if someone's rousing you, say, clean up your rubbish, do this, do that.
Just load it
Straight in
all
the
in the
trailer.
trailer.
Shovel the dirt in there if you need to. Drag it back. We'll deal with it accordingly.
Yeah, I was silly enough to go out in the backyard and have a look at the state of it yesterday.
Yeah, it's hectic with the rain, man.
Hasn't been used for a week or two, and whoever used it last hasn't cleaned it out.
Who used it last?
I don't actually know.
Be Joey.
No.
Chicken Joe
I think it
2.0.
was Ned.
You reckon?
I think
Ned's,
it's Ned.
Ned's the grub.
Yeah.
Here he is. He's loaded up. He shut the doors. Make sure he shut the gate. Don't do what Donnie does and leave the gate open and drive down the road.
Yeah. Collect someone as you go.
Patrick Cashmore. I've just driven all the way from Ellenbrook with the gate open. Jesus, Pat. Here he is, running her up. Here he goes, out the gate. And this is you filming him now.
Yeah.
See you, Lachie. Bye, mate.
It was a full day.
Dude, 2 services in a day.
Yep.
Filming around.
1,000 hour on an excavator and a 250 on that Hitachi loader.
Boom. Here it is. Follow us on the YouTube.
Yep.
Check it out. Done. Rock on. See you next one.